Hunan Qiandao Intelligent Technology Corporation Limited is a manufacturer specializing in 5-axis and 6-axis CNC toe grinding machines, precision CNC step grinders, inner and outer diameter punch grinders, cylindrical grinders, and toe grinders for mold and toe grinding. The company, established in September 2023, is located in Dongguan City, Hunan Province. Hunan Qiandao was invested by Dongguan Qiandao Machinery Manufacturing Corporation Limited. The first phase of the project covers an area of 16,000 square meters, while the second phase is 6,000 square meters. And Hunan Qiandao has a complete organization structure. They have set up sheet metal division, machining division, CNC grinder division, manual grinding division, engineering R&D department, sales center, and warehouse center. It aims to become a production demonstration base for intelligent grinding machine, with plans for an annual production capacity of 1,000 CNC grinding machines. The company owns an R&D team with rich industry experience and has invested in advanced equipment, including laser interferometers, CNC testing benches, solar inspection instruments, wheel dynamic balancing devices, and coordinated measuring machines. The robust ISO 9001 quality management system and strict control in every link to ensure stable quality and reliable performance. Hunan Qiandao has developed a range of popular machine tool models, widely used in the production and manufacturing of woodworking tools, 3C tools, precision tools, and hardware mold components. In addition to standard products, the company offers customized solutions tailored to the client's specific needs to meet the grinding requirements of various industries and processes. To provide nationwide support, Qiandao has established 2 application service centers. The South of China Application Service Center, located in Dongguan City, with a floor space of 2,000 square meters, and the East of China Application Service Center, located in Chang'an City, covering 700 square meters. Both centers offer 24/7 service. Our typical models include the QD580, QD680, QD560 CNC toe grinders, QD860, QD260 CNC step grinder. We are actively seeking dealers and agents worldwide to join us.